Hi, this is Dr. Moore, and today we're going to talk about the new Trim It pen from Arthrex. The Trim It pen is for interdigital procedures to hold the toe straight. We use it for a variety of reasons. The quintessential Hammertoe that's up in the air, the claw toe, the mallet toe that's just been at the end here, and now a new procedure for these long second toes when the male or female shoe is pressing the toe up in the air. The problem in the past is that the incision on the top, the invasion of this joint, can let the toe wander or have a toe that kinks to the side. With these new internal pins, additionally, you don't have to drill through the tip of the toe and have a wire sticking out like the old K-wire pins where you pull the pins out in the office. Personally, I think it's very 16th century. I never liked them, but now we have them that'll go right down the medullary canal or bone marrow here, and it holds the toe straight. The kit is all together, pretty well thought out. It's in a peel pack, and we'll watch this in the surgery in a bit. Peel it open in the operating room, and as you can see, the components are very, very simple. They have the Trim It pin itself inside a tube, and I'll put it on top here because it's kind of hard to see. The Trim It pin itself here. They have the measuring device and the driver. So what will happen is this driver, which we'll put in a drill after the procedure is done, and we'll drill down the end of the bone marrow on this knuckle and then down the bone marrow on this knuckle, or you can straighten the toe, start in the tip and drill all the way down and keep the entire toe straight for the claw toe deformity. But the surgery you're going to see is just a hammer toe, so we're going to put it just in this joint. Also, if you look really close on this pin, that has hatch marks. So you don't need a measuring device. As soon as you bury it down one of these hatch marks, it's 1 centimeter a piece, and then you can measure appropriately. So again, during the procedure, we'll drill it in, and from how far it goes down this bone and adding this bone, we'll add them together, take the pin itself and clip it to that length, and then of course that pin we can put in the driver. That's another great thing about this material. The material, just like the driver, is the same width. You can put it in the driver and drive it right down the bone marrow, and whatever small piece is sticking out here will straighten the toe, distract it, put it in, and then it's in this knuckle, keeping the toe straight. Or like I said, you drill it from the tip all the way back, and then trim it at the tip, called the Trim It pin, and then this plunger here pushes the tip of the device all the way back. So it'll sink into the bone. Again, the other final thing that I like about this product is the fact that it's malleable. It's bendable, and also if you kink it, it will bend and it'll stay. This is huge in cosmetic foot surgery, because if you have bent toes thusly and one really, really straight, it looks really, really funny. Or some patients will come in for a cocked up 5th hammer toe and 4th, and then 2 and 3 are slightly bent, and then you straighten those out, and again it looks ridiculous. So I can put this inside the joint and then kink the toe downwards at that joint right there, and it'll look more natural, and it stays. So huge advantage for the digits, especially the toes, is this malleable, bendable application. Again, the Trim It pin from Arthrex. So let's go ahead and go watch the video now, watch the surgery. And if you want to know more about the device or other surgeries, you can log on to www.myfootfix.com. Stay healthy and one step ahead.